Many years I've been making this mistake, having one business with one stream of income. You should have multiple businesses, building a business within a business and another business within that business. Videos, you can unlock multiple potential streams of passive residual income coming into various payment gateways in subscriptions, memberships, or full payment. That way you are earning multiple streams of income. This is an example on how the rich and wealthy people are thinking in terms of expanding, exploring your mind on having multiple businesses and multiple streams of income, so that if one or two or three businesses are not working out, number 4, 5, 6 are starting to actively generate the income. Maybe business number 9, 10 are starting to pick up very fast, or this diversifies, it changes and fluctuates from business to business or from business owner to business owner, depending on your level of expertise or output or mindset or coaches and mentors or programs or courses you are attending and implementing certain things. Every one is on a different level in business, or entrepreneurs are not on the same level in terms of their mindset, their thinking, their attitude, their behavior, and putting certain things into practicality. So do not limit yourself thinking, you know what, just have one business and one stream of income. What if you are struggling to sell a particular product or program? Then you might be thinking, you know what, but online business do not work. So build a business around that business and another business around that business, so that you can start exploring and seeing and testing and trying which products are selling faster, what attracts people to your offer, to your programs, your courses, your products, your services, your additional services, so that you can see which businesses are super slow, or money starting to come in, or what businesses you need to work on, so that at the future date and time you can start seeing progress, a positive outcome, or a unique, suitable transformation for yourself in your business.